Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this portfolio update, I'm sitting at $212,929 inside of my Wealthsimple portfolio. This was a massive month for me in terms of dividends, $1,139 worth of dividends for the month of January, far surpassing anything I've ever done in the past, getting me over that $1,000 mark for the first time actually. And it can be contributed due to a annual payer that I have inside my FHSA and BEQT, which did pay me over $300 worth of dividends. So that did get me over the bump, but I'm very happy with that nonetheless. So this portfolio update, I'm decently higher than my last one, so almost $4,000 more. So that's pretty good. We did have a pretty good rally just this Friday. I'm filming this on the 17th, so um, yeah, we did have a very good rally in the markets. The S&P was up quite a bit. You can see in the chart here, just a massive shot up. So up until now, it's been kind of going sideways and down. So I've just been buying the dip along the way. So yeah, you can see there's been quite a few, dips, just little scares in the market. So um, yeah, just keep buying along the way. So um, one of the major economic news that we got recently. I mean, there was the jobs report first, which did send the market, spook the market, and it did decrease the stock market pretty substantially. But then there was an increase right afterwards. So it's been very volatile lately, very up down up down. So the news on inflation in the U.S. was that the core inflation rate year over year had decreased to 3.2. They were expecting a consensus of 3.3, and the actual is 3.2. So it was a beat, if you want to call that a beat. I don't think I don't think this really tells the full story, because if you take a look at the inflation rate year over year, we've been heading in the wrong direction every month since September. So we got down to 2.4 in September of 2024, and it's just been steadily increasing since then. So October 2.6, November 2.7, and now 2.9 in December. So I'm not sure why they're celebrating it. I think inflation had a correction, and I think it's going to start going up. So um, yeah, but who knows with the market right now? So that's why I just say, like, just keep buying those dips. They're just amazing to capitalize on, and you get the good days like today, and you just thank yourself for buying the dip. So yeah. So as far as contributions, I did make 1,500. I've made so far this month $1,500 worth of contributions to my FHSA, and that falls in line with my investment plan where I'm trying to get 33,000 this whole year. So 1,500. Um, and there's actually one more pay period. So on the 31st, I'm gonna have an extra pay. I didn't even realize that when I was making my investment plan, and so I should be able to get another 750 in there, so 2250. So I'll be a little bit ahead of schedule, which is actually really nice. So I've put $1,500 into VEQT, and then I also took the dividends from my non-registered account, which totaled over $400 actually in January, and then just threw them in the FHSA as well. So that was over $400. So I'm actually just about $1,900 into that $8,000 contribution limit for 2025. So just steadily trucking away at that. And I do have a very aggressive $9,000 goal for February, which is because of my bonus. I should get that, and then in April with my tax return. So that's why you see here in the investment plan a couple months where it's going to be very high. So yeah, it'd be nice to be a little bit ahead of schedule for that 9,000, just in case it's a little difficult to do that. But um, that should go well, I think. As far as like the funds are going, I think ESPX is probably due for a dividend increase very soon. The current yield is only 7.35%, and it would be a good time to do so, I think, because if we go to the ESPX website and we go here under distributions, so they have their 2023 distributions and their 2024, and you can see here that the last distribution for 2024 is recorded on the 31st of December of 2024, then paid out 2025, so at 15.5 cents a month. So I think with a new a new year, a new entry in here for 2025, like they could probably look to increase the payout amount, maybe at least 16 cents. Like it's got to be becoming there. So I think they could even more than that. So I'm excited to see if that's a possibility because that could increase my monthly income by quite a bit. So that would be really nice if that was the case. But yeah, I think that's about it for this portfolio update. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.